Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we'll be doing our hair. This is going to be our inspiration. I don't really know how it's going to turn out. So I will be using, with mine, I want boho. I like everything boho. I think it just make the hair looks better. I don't know. So for my boho pieces, I'll be using Bobbi Boss French Curl. This is what it looks like in the pack. It comes with three little bundles. They're not thick. And for my braids, I will be using the Expressions Ruwa. Normally when I do my hair, I use maybe one pack or 1.5 packs of Ruwa. So you don't really need that much hair. Now, let's get started. Oh my God, y'all. I am fighting for my life with this first braid. First, the hair got tangled. Then, my hair got tangled. Now, I'm tangled in the hair. Let me fix this. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. Now, what you're going to do, you're just going to cornrow the front of your hair and feed in the hair gradually. Now, I do the same size or same density of each feed in piece of weave. That's going to make your braids the same size. They won't have that feed in look. To get that feed in look, you'll start with like a smaller piece and gradually increase in the size of the pieces that you're adding. That's how you get the feed in look. But I want my braids the same size, so I'm going to feed in the same size pieces in each cornrow. And I don't really count normally how many pieces I feed in. Like I'm going to feed in 5 pieces in each braid. No, I just feed in so I feel that they're the same size. So I'm going to do that throughout the entire front half of my head. And also, when you get to the end where you have to individually braid it down, you're going to flip your hair in the front. You're going to flip it, turn your hands, flip the hair in the front so you can braid it down. That gives the individual braids the tight, neat look. So flip your hands and braid it to the front. If you all want a tutorial, just let me know down at the bottom. And also, when you're doing your individual braids, braid those braids all the way down to the end. Braid them down. Okay, so by now you know what's going on in the front. We're going to move along to the back. I've already parted the back of it. I got 20 braids in the back and 4 on the side just to fill it in. So we got to do 24 knotless braids. Okay, so I'm finally done. It took me about 8 hours. And I used a whole pack of the Ruwa. It comes with 3 bundles. I used 1 pack of that. And I used 2 bundles of the Bobbi Boss Hair. Now, that Bobbi Boss Hair is so soft and it tangles so much. And if you had a synthetic wig from Bobbi Boss, it feels just like the synthetic wigs, like the Barbie doll hair. And I'm not sure if I use that again for the boho braids. Like I said, it tangles so bad, and it doesn't hold the curl. Like the part I did last night, I twisted them down, so when I unraveled them, a lot of them were stringy. So I'm not sure if I use it for boho braids again. Maybe another style. But like I said, I used 2 bundles of that and 1 pack of the other. This part right here, it can hang down, but I just pulled it up, so I think I like it better. And of course I did my edges. It's crazy to have baby hair with gray hairs, but yeah. So this is the back. Now on the side, on my right side, I did layer it a little bit more, and on this side I left it a little longer. I may go in and layer this, but I think it'll be okay. And yeah. Oh, and the braids, they go down to my waist. I get up so you can see it.